384 Coronavax doses in Makilala, North Cotabato are no longer usable for vaccination. The vaccines were left in a freezer without electricity for more than 2 days. By the time the power was restored, the municipal office workers have left. According to the municipal health officer, the vaccines were intended for senior citizens that were supposed to be used on May 10. The Department of Health has already ordered an investigation.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.